Hey everyone, we are looking today at your entrance slips. All right, let me pull that up here. We are in lesson number 4. We are in your purple packet. All right, all about adding and subtracting with fractions. Your notes video should be done already. So again, that white packet, lesson 4 notes should be done. Remember, we complete them with me. So let's review them. In order to add and subtract fractions, you need a common denominator, yes. So the denominator is that bottom number in a fraction. It needs to be the same. So we need a number that 8 and 3 can get both pulled out of. Now, the phrase we use here is your least common multiple because we like to keep things smaller. If we don't grab the smallest one, it's okay. So a lot of times people ask, well, how do you come up with these? Well, one, it is your mental math. Trying to pull a number out of both of them using your multiplication factor. What you can do is you can list out all the multiples, 8, 16, 24, 32, list out a few of them, 3, 6, 9, 12. Find something that matches up, 6, 15, yeah, 18, still nothing, 21, 24. Oh, there it is, 24. But at this stage of the game, we'd much rather use your mental math skills, use your multiplication facts to come up with that it is 24. We want to stay away from just multiplying the two numbers together because our number is going to get large and it's going to cause dangerous. Sometimes that's the only thing. If you can't find something, please multiply them together. Get started on something. So with your numerators, we have to see if we have new ones. And we do because the denominator's changed. So what I'm looking for here is what do you multiply 8 by to get to 24? You do multiply it by a 3. So that's what I'm going to multiply the numerator by. So 5 times 3, so we should get 15 24. Coming to the other side, what do you multiply 3 by to get to 24? Well, it's 8. So that's what you multiply your numerator by. 1 times 8. 8. Now ready to add. 15 plus 8 is 23. So we got ourselves 23 24. All right. And there's your basics. With mixed numbers, and that's what we have in question 2, just add the fractions or subtract them, depending on what we're doing, and then take care of the whole numbers afterwards. This is the one example where we just don't want to do 5 times 10 and say it's 50 for our common denominator because we're going to have more simplifying to do, and that's going to create some more work. We don't want that. So a lot of times it can be the number itself. So in this case, it's 10. All right, we can pull one group of 10 out of 10. We can pull 2 groups of 5 out of 10. So what do you multiply 5 by to get to 10? That's 2. So 4 times 2, yep, that's an 8. What do you multiply 10 by to get to 10? Well, 1. So when it doesn't change, it's multiplied by 1. You multiply something by 1, it doesn't change. So if you just instantly throw that down there, that's fine. All right. Now we can add. So there's my 9/10. And then don't forget your whole numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 and 9/10. If I didn't use common denominators, I would have to do something called simplifying here, where I'd have to divide them to get all the way to 9/10. So just kind of keep that in mind. You would have had 45 50ths, and then you'd have to divide them both by 5 to get down to your 9/10. Last one here. Again, common denominator. Again, check the number itself. In this case, it is 9, so we can use that. We're multiplying by a 1, so 7 times 1 is a 7. We're multiplying by a 3, so 1 times 3 is a 3. Subtract, there's your 4 9s. So again, that's your basics to adding and subtracting with fractions. You need yourself a common denominator, and you do need to simplify. If you notice here, I got a common denominator each time, and because I grabbed the least one, no simplifying in question 1, no simplifying in question 2, no simplifying in question 3. That's not always a guaranteed lock, but it does a lot of times. All right, people, get on into that classwork, and don't forget to check your answers using your answer key.